Ramachandran, PGT Commerce, Sri Shakthi International School, teaching class 11th as well as class 12th accountancy subject. In this video, I want to solve a numerical question in past adjustment. Let us see to it the way to solve the question, numerical question in past adjustment concept. The question taken here is numerical question 38 from past adjustment. The question detailed furnished here with Manu and Srishti are partners in the firm, sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2. Following is the balance sheet of the firm as on 31st March 2017. The balance sheet detailed here is the capital of both the partner is given, the drawing of the partner is given, and additional information profit for the year ended 31st March 2017, 5,000, which was divided in the agreed ratio, but interest 5% per annum on capital and 6% per annum interest on drawing was omitted. Interest on drawing on an average basis for 6 months. Give the adjustment entry. Yeah, this is the summary of the question. So the questions, since it is the past adjustment question. Past adjustment means we have to correct the mistakes done by the people. Here the mistakes committed is without interest on capital appropriation and without the interest on drawing the charge, the profit distributed to the partner. So therefore, first step is we have to prepare the adjustment table where interest on capital is omitted. So the interest on capital omitted means partner capital account, interest on capital has to be credited, which was not credited. There is a short credit, therefore interest on capital has to be credited. So interest on capital for all the partner, it is omitted. So that's mean capital account, there is a less credit, short credit. So therefore we have to credit interest on capital for both the partner. So this is the credit item. So interest on capital for Manu it is 30,000. From 30,000 we have to provide 5% per annum. Srishti it is 10,000, 5% per annum. So for Manu, the 10,000 into 5%. This has to be credited in the adjustment table. So Manu is 1,500 and the Srishti is 500 and the total is 2,000. Next one, interest on drawing omitted. So interest on drawing in the capital account it has to be debited. Therefore, there is a short debit that we have to debit. Interest on drawing means it has to be debited in the partner capital account. It was not done, therefore we have to. So there is a short debit, we have to debit it. So interest on drawing, they have given that Manu is 4,000 and Srishti it is 2,000 and it is the rate of interest is 6%, 6-month average. So interest on drawing. By average 6 months, therefore 6 by 12. And for Srishti, same rate 6 by 6 months only, so 6 by 12. 60. So this we have to debit. So now it is debit item, therefore we have to put it in the bracket. Total. And so the right distribution is in this amount for Mano 1500 minus 120 will be the right distribution of profit. Now the right distribution of profit has to be credited. Right. So right distribution of profit distribution of profit is 1500 minus 120. So that is 1380. And the right distribution form is 500 minus 60. So that is 440. The total is 1820. So this is the right distribution, therefore this has to be credited. Wrong distribution has to be debited. The wrong distribution is this 1820, this 1820 distributed as per the ratio. This 1820 divided as per the ratio, their profit sharing ratio is 3:2. So the 1380 is the credit, but 1900 is 92 is the debit amount. So the difference is 288. 288. That credit is higher. Therefore, so we have to credit Manu capital account. They are also 288. Debit is higher. We have to debit Shakthi capital account. So the final answer for the adjustment entry is Shakthi capital account. We have to debit with 288. Narration. So this is the final answer. So once again in this question, there are two items: interest on capital, interest on drawing, omitted. Without that, the profit has been distributed. So that distribution was wrong. Because of that, one partner capital may be credited over, another partner capital may be debited higher. So therefore, it affected the capital account of the partner. So to adjust the capital account of the partner, first we have to prepare the adjustment table. And with respect to partner capital account perspective, interest on capital, which was not recorded, omitted, mean we have to credit the interest on capital to the respective partner. Interest on drawing, omitted, mean so again which will affect it, which will affect the, I mean in the capital account there will be a short debit. In order to fulfill that, we have to debit it, and we have to find out the difference. So if you find this is the right distribution of profit to the partner, But this is the way it has to be distributed, but it is already distributed like this. It is distributed for 1092 only. Instead of 1380 has to be given, but it is given 1092. Therefore, 228 shortage in the capital account of the partner. Therefore, Manu capital account credited, and 288 was excessively credited to this Srishti. Therefore, his capital account debited by 280. Hope you all understand. Thank you.